Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. It will be a very quick one for you because we aren't seeing much happen within the price of Bitcoin, but nevertheless I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. If that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. Make sure you watch this video up until the end because, like I said, I'll give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So over the course of this week, we have seen Bitcoin have this nice parabolic move towards the upside. Okay, there is one thing that we have to be worried about, okay, and that there is going to be a lot of liquidity sat at these lows here. So if we do get that pullback, okay, this pullback could be a pretty harsh pullback, okay, and we could see this pump get completely wiped out. Okay, so we do just have to be aware of that. Okay, but nevertheless, you know, we've had a really nice push towards the upside. Okay, and this month we made some really nice trades. Now, unfortunately, we haven't taken advantage of this price movement towards the upside. Why is that? Well, there was just no trade set up for us. Okay, now at this price level down here, okay, we were looking for a long position. Okay, we were looking for a long position, but what happened is we front run the key level that we were interested in taking a long from, okay, meaning, okay, that we didn't enter into that long, which would, as you can see, would have been a very nice long position. And this happens sometimes, okay, we do front run levels every now and then, okay, and it can lead to us actually missing out on nice trades, but that's fine. Okay, we can't dwell on things. Okay, we made some really nice trades already this month. Okay, so if we take a look at the Discord, okay, we've taken, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we've taken 6 trades, okay, this month already. Okay, and 5 of them have been winning trades, 1 of them has been a losing trade. Okay, so we first took this long position here, okay, yielded us over 223% in a profit. We had this short here, okay, from 28,257, 211% in a profit. Okay, then we had this short position from $28,045, 325% in a profit. Okay, so those were amazing trades. These were nice big swing trades that we took there. Okay, then we had a nice scalp long trade here. Okay, this was a nice scalp long trade, 47% in a profit. Okay, we did take a loss here. Okay, and then straight after that, okay, we took a nice scalp short position, 63%, as you can observe there. On this loss, it was a 29% loss. Okay, so this month we have been very profitable. So we're not too worried, you know, that we've missed this trade here. We're not worried at all. Okay, and in trading, if you do miss a trade, don't FOMO into a trade, okay? Wait for your setup, okay? And that's what I'm doing here. I'm remaining patient and waiting for a setup, okay? Once I see that setup and I see all the bearish or bullish confirmation factors, confluence factors and reaction, okay, then and only then will I enter into that trade, okay? And that's how we are so profitable, because we are waiting for all of those confirmation factors, confluence factors before we actually enter into a trade. Like I said, you know, we've taken 6 trades this month, 5 of them winning trades, 1 of them a losing trade, okay? So if you want access to this Visionary Discord, make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bit Trading here and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord, okay? Somewhere on the screen there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access, so make sure you take advantage of that because, like I said, you know, we are giving away so many valuable trades in this Discord, so just take advantage of that 1 month free access. But yeah, where do we go from here? Okay, so as we can see, prices, you know, had some really nice movement towards the upside. Okay, we have to remember we got vector candles here. Okay, we've got a lot of liquidity sat down here. Okay, so you know, a short setup for me would be more probable. Okay, and I would like to see the liquidity being taken up from this high here, and then we get that move down. Okay, and we could see this move coming all the way back down to, you know, $28,000. That is a possibility because, like I said, you know, we've got vector candles here, okay, that do tend to like to be filled. Okay, so we could see price pull back, okay, back down to, you know, $31,500, where from there, you know, we've got a lot of liquidity, like I said. Okay, and once that liquidity starts to get taken out, okay, there could be a domino effect and we just see that continuation towards the downside. Now, you know, I don't want to get overly bearish, okay, because yes, we have been looking very bullish, okay, but we just have to factor that in. Okay, that is a possibility. Lots of liquidity, we have vector candles here, so we just have to remember, you know, we could see a big big pullback. We could see this pump get completely wiped out, okay? So we just have to, you know, keep that in the back of our minds, okay? But nevertheless, you know, we could see a continuation towards the upside. That is, you know, a very valid option, okay? If, okay, we start to see, you know, some sort of bull flag form here, okay, yes, okay, we could actually get a continuation towards the upside. Now, like I say, okay, like I say all the time, okay, we don't like to trade bull flags or bear flags here at Bit Trading, okay, because we tend to already be in a trade. Now, this is one of those scenarios where, you know, we're not in a trade, okay, before this possible bull flag forms, okay? But if you go back and take a look at all the videos, you know, we're already in a trade before the bull flag or the bear flag actually forms, okay? But yeah, I wouldn't trade the bull flag here. Why is that? Well, there would most likely be a trade setup from down here if a bull flag does form, okay? So if we do start to consolidate here, okay, what are we going to have? Well, we're going to have a really nice range, okay? And we can trade that range, okay? We can trade the range by range bound price action, okay? And yeah, most likely look for a long position, okay? And if it is a valid bull flag, again, it does break towards the upside, okay, we will already be in that long, okay, from possibly let's just change the color of this, yeah, possibly from down here, okay? If we see, you know, some sort of liquidity sweep down here with bullish open interest, bullish CVD, okay, then we can enter into the long, okay? And if the bull flag breaks towards the upside, then, you know, we can even target higher prices, okay? So, you know, this is something that we could possibly look at, okay? So right now, just remaining patient, waiting for price to sort of give us a clear indication. As you can see on the 30-minute, we are starting to form some sort of range here. Okay, this is great for us. This is great for us as traders. Okay, we just have to, you know, wait and see and wait for the, you know, the key levels to be tapped. Okay, once the key levels are tapped, then and only then, you know, can we check for the reaction. Okay, and we look for the confirmation, the confluence factors. If we see all of that, then and only then can we enter into the trade. Okay, so the key levels that, you know, we have on the chart right now, okay, is this low right here at 33,193. Okay. We also have some internal highs coming in up here as well. But personally, for me, okay, I would prefer to see this high being taken out for a possible short from 35,750. Okay, so we did come all the way up to 35,750. And I was actually telling you guys, if we come and take a look at YouTube, okay, yesterday's video, okay, I was actually saying we could see 35,000. Okay, as you can see here, Bitcoin pump 35k inbound. Okay, yesterday's video I was saying, you know, 35,000 is a valid target that we could be looking at. Okay, and that's exactly what happened here. Now, unfortunately, like I said, I didn't see the confirmation factors to enter into a long. Okay, but I was saying, you know, if we got above 31,869, okay, which was this level right here, then we can be targeting 35,000. Okay. So right now, I'm just remaining patient, waiting for price action to, you know, form some sort of range, form some, you know, more key levels, okay, maybe even tap a key level where we can then possibly enter into a trade, okay. So that's everything I've got for you today. Make sure you take advantage of that 1 month free access of the, you know, Visionary Discord, okay, and yeah, like this video, please. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.